Hi everyone. It's been a while since my last video, but again, yeah, I was kind of busy, and at one point I was going on vacation. So, I mean, at the end of the day, you can also say I'm kind of lazy. But I received a huge order recently. Well, not that recently. I guess it's 3 or 4 weeks ago already. From my friend in the United States, Dragon. Please check out his Instagram and eBay store in the description. He's an awesome guy to work with because most of my Shadowless and special card collection always went through his hands. So he's a very nice bloke, and maybe you can check him out as well. So, what I can tell you, I purchased these 3 cards individual from a Facebook group. These are bangers, at least in my opinion. Not sure what you guys think about it. This is one from my mate, Zed. He asked me if I like this card, and I never owned a big case card, and I had to get this. And over here we got a few more cards, so I will just, I opened the most part of the package already, but yeah, of course I wanted to share this magic moment with you. So here we got more PSA cards. Don't expect too much excitement, because these are mainly cards that are exciting for me at least. And then we got this huge bulk here, and so the reason why I got this huge bulk cards is quite simple. So I'm based in Germany, and if you're a bit long enough in the Pokemon community, you probably know that Shadowless cards were only released in the United States. And since I love the Shadowless cards, basically because they are Shadowless and they have a different color, at least it looks always like, and they have deeper colors. I first started with the Shadowless Holo collection, and now I'm slowly want to build up my whole base set Shadowless. However, I thought it would be a nice thing to order a few more cards, so I'm basically able to pick out the best one. And you guys, if you are from Europe, you can maybe have a chance of profit from that as well, because again, they were only released in the United States, and yeah, it's kind of tough to get hands on them in Germany. So I will just make this fast, because I'm sure you guys want to see what are these cards here, and maybe these ones. So let's just have a short look through them and see what we got. So we got Beedrill, Dragonair, Dugtrio, Electabuzz, Electrode. So important to say, if you're actually interested in one of these cards or a few of these cards, please let me know. But to be fair, Zed and we agreed on I'm just buying bulk, so don't expect gem mint, near mint cards. So I guess most of them are around PSA 4 to PSA 7 cards, but I don't mind that, because for me I don't think I will get a lot of them graded, but yeah, Magikarp, I guess I will. So yeah, there are quite a few. Wartortle, it's always lovely to see. And then my Bulbasaur. Yeah, let's move faster. I got a few of them, as you can see. And sorry about the video quality, but yeah, I'm not professional, so fuck that. Bulbasaur, 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 Bulbasaur. Wow. Caterpie, Charmander. Damn, a lot of them. Fuck me, a lot of them. Awesome. Then a few of these. Drowsy, Ghastly, Machoke. If you're interested, I'm sure you're aware of that, but if you're actually interested, let me know. Then we can also make a short video where I compare these Shadowless base set cards to, for example, German base set cards whatsoever. Pikachu is always lovely to see. And then we should be almost finished with the Pokemon, because I also wanted to get Shadowless energy cards and trainer cards. You probably say, oh, why that? But they are also part of the base set, so of course I have to own them as well. More of these, more of these. A Squirtle, lovely. Oh, what happened here? Jesus. Damn, what's wrong with this? Ah, there we go. More of these. For some weird reason, I like this card a lot, and I wish it was not. I mean, it's a common card, but imagine this one as Holo foil. I think that would look pretty dope. So then we got a few more here, and then we start with the trainer cards. So I will be very fast on these because there's also energy there. So yeah, I mean, you can see. Let's pick out this one. Take a short look. I mean, you see the condition. Where's damn. Don't mind that noise. But you can see the condition. I mean, there's some whitening on the corners. But other than that, these cards look pretty much alright. So yeah, I mean, if you're interested in one or more of these cards, just hit me up. I will be able to sell most of these cards, except to the ones that I will pick out. And yeah, that's it for the Shadowless bulk. Now let's continue and take a look at the other stuff. So where shall we start? I think we should start with these cards. So again, don't expect too much crazy stuff here, but these were cards I basically just wanted to own. And let's start right here with the bottom. So first of all, of course, if you follow me on Instagram longer, you probably know that Magikarp and Gyarados are my favorites besides Bulbasaur Evolution. So I basically had to get this one because yeah, it's a mint condition card, so I'll have it. Next one, since we talked about Bulbasaur Evolution, yeah, I already got one of these from APG, but now I'm also owner of a PSA, Ivysaur, and I just couldn't help it, and Zed gave me a really good price on this one. Then our next one is Hell Yeah. So you may have seen this here. I'm actually quite surprised, but even PSA messes up. So you can see the band here. It's pretty messed up. So I really don't think this is should be a 5. But the reason why I wanted this card, yeah, you can see it even in the back, it's really bad. The reason why I wanted this card is quite simple. First of all, I think Snorlax is one of the most underrated Pokemon, and you probably have noticed already, symbol error. So at this spot there usually should be the symbol of the jungle set, but I don't know for how long that went on, but yeah, at Wizards of the Coast messed up, and there were quite a few cards released without the jungle symbol. So yeah, I already got, I don't know, Vileplume, I guess. So last but not least, now you probably will laugh a lot, but it's Southern Island Meryl. And now take a wild guess why I really wanted this card. So for me, the card would be perfect like this if it would be a Magikarp card, but I think it's just lovely, and I like the kind of holo just on the card and not on the picture of the actual Pokemons. So yeah, let's continue. Where shall we start? With these 3 babies or with this one? Yeah, let's keep that one for the end, even though there's one card here at least that is worth much more to me, and I guess also from the market value. I didn't check out the market values in recent days because I know the market is dropping, but it's not just all about profit, because if you're in the hobby a bit longer, then you know what I'm talking about. So first card is, yes, Shadowless Gyarados. So I ordered, or I purchased these 3 cards from a group of Facebook. I can highly recommend it. If you find people with reputation, you can always make some good deals. So I did on these. I'm not gonna put the card out now, but the condition is pretty good. Probably a 6 or 7. The next one, I hope it's not my next one is Mewtwo. Reason is quite simple. The deal was good, and I think Mewtwo is pretty nice. And I guess it's the same with the as with the Gyarados. Some whitening. And yeah, I'm not gonna put it out, but the Holo looked alright as well. Now, last but not least, and I guess it won't be a surprise if you follow me a bit longer, but I mean, if I order another Shadowless Gyarados, what the hell? Of course I need to get another Shadowless Venusaur. So, but this one I'm gonna take out, because it's Venusaur, so if I manage to do... Damn, finally. Alright. So, it looks pretty good. Of course, the centering is not perfect, and you can see on the top some issues, and the back as well. But so some whitening, but still, what I paid was pretty nice. And again, it's a Venusaur. And last but not least, hell yeah. So that's a promo card, and as you can see, it's still sealed, and that's why PSA started issuing these big cases. And yeah, we got a mint 9 Porygon. I'm quite sure not a lot of people think it's a nice Pokemon to collect, but I think the Holo looks pretty dope. I think we even got a small swirl. Not that I'm interested in that too much, but yeah, I wanted to own a big case, and especially with the PSA 9, and probably a very underrated and undervalued card, at least in the sealed way. Sealed. I think I made a good deal on this, so thanks again, Zed Dragon. And that's it for now. So I'm running a bit slower on deals and stuff, but I'm aiming for a very big achievement in the collection, at least for me. So maybe I'm able to show you at the end of the year or whatsoever. I just have to see how the market goes, if I can make some trades, and finally make my way up to that. Other than that, whenever the video is open, upload it. I hope you stay safe and healthy, and take care. Leave me a like, ask me questions, follow me on Instagram, whatever, or just ignore what I said. Take care. Bye, guys.